Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I am your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to talk about a green which is not that popular. It's called lambsquarters, or in Hindi it is called Bathua or Bathu. It is actually considered a weed, and it is the beginning of fall. This is the perfect time to start to grow lambsquarters or Bathua. And by the way, it is rich in vitamin A and C, lot of minerals, calcium, copper, magnesium, iron. It is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So I don't remember all these benefits, but I know that it is really good for you. So I include it in my diet in any case. So today we are going to plant some lambsquarters, and if you have access to it, certainly give it a try. It grows like crazy because it's a weed. It just, by nature, it is a fighter and it grows very quickly. So today I'm going to plant these lamb's quarters seeds, or we also call it Bathua or Bathu. It's a leafy green that you cook and make side vegetables from this. So I'm going to plant this in this planter, which has good drainage at the bottom, and it has some chicken manure, some topsoil, and some half composted wood chips in here. So these seeds are really tiny. So I'm going to just scatter a few seeds on the top and then cover it with soil. And this planter gets, a few hours, a couple of hours, or 3-4 hours of direct sun. Just going to scatter these seeds everywhere. So now I'm just going to cover it with some soil. And these seeds are tiny, so you don't want to put too much soil on the top, just a little bit. And the temperatures outside these days, at night, about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the daytime, it's about 85 degrees or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not too hot and it's not too cold. So I'm going to water it because the topsoil is dry, and I'll cover it for a couple of days so that it retains the moisture and the humidity. And as the seeds start to germinate, I'll keep you posted. It's been about 2 weeks, and lamb's quarters seedlings, they're doing great. They're about 1 inch tall. They're really delicate, but they're doing fine. And they're in partial sun, so they get some sunlight, direct sunlight, but most of the times it is in shade because it is still hot outside. It's about 85 degrees Fahrenheit in the daytime, which can become really hot for these tiny seedlings. It's been 4 weeks, and our plants are growing like 3 to 4 inches tall. Some are really tiny, and in hot sun, the leaves kind of close, but in the evening, they are fine again. So our plants are exactly 4 weeks old, and they're looking great. So some of these, like this one, is about 3 inches tall. Some are 2 inches tall, and some are really tiny. But I'm going to move it to a slightly shaded area because I think it's getting too much sun, because this is a cool weather plant, and I'll keep you posted. So I moved this planter to a slightly shaded area under a tree, and now you can see that even those smaller ones, they're doing better. So our plants are growing happily. They're becoming big now. Maybe in another 2 weeks, some of these will be ready to be harvested. So one more week has passed. It's been exactly 6 weeks that we planted these. And if you look at this one, this is about 8 inches tall. Some of them are 6 inches tall, 4 inches tall, but they're getting there. So I was thinking that probably they'll be ready in 2 weeks, but maybe 2, 3 more weeks, and we can start harvesting them. But I don't want you to wait till that time, because fall has already started and the weather has started to cool down a little bit. So get those seeds and plant them, and I'll post another video of showing you how to harvest them and how to use them. And so for now, just plant those seeds and give them a lot of sun and a lot of water, and they'll grow happily. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.